And look how this is blending right here with my skin. Haven't had done anything. Look at that. Look at that melt. Come on now. Come on now. Okay, dolls. This chapter is called Working Smarter, Not Harder. Hey faithfuls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Myfirstwig and I'm back with another wig review. So dolls, today I'll be reviewing Myfirstwig's pre-everything unit. This is the type of unit that is super beginner friendly. The only thing you need to do is put it on. At least that's what they claim. Let's check it out and see if it holds true. So dolls, this is the unit I'll be reviewing today. As you guys can see, this is a nicely highlighted unit from Myfirstwig, and as I said, it comes with everything done and ready to install. As you can see, you have the pre-cut lace. You also have the bleached knots. Let's try it on and see if the unit is pre-plucked as well. Okay, so this unit does appear to be pre-plucked and the knots are bleached really nicely. I'm loving the color of the highlights of this hair. Oh, this is going to be really cute. I'm trying to decide how I want to wear this. If I want to wear it straight, if I want to put some slight layers in it. Y'all know me. I think I'm going to put a little bit of layers in it. Let's do this quick because this is definitely supposed to be throw on and go. And your girl actually has someplace to go. Per usual. Let's try to go for a deeper side part. Ooh, the knot's a little bleached, a little light over here. But that's a quick and easy fix. One thing about me, no matter how complete the unit comes, I'm always gonna hot comb the roots. Okay, y'all, so since this unit did come pre-everything, I'm gonna go ahead and leave this as a glueless unit, just to show you guys how easy it is to install and how beginner friendly it is. So what I'm going to do though, which is what I like to do for all my units now, is when I'm wearing a glueless unit, I'm going to go ahead and melt it with this tinted mousse. This is the easiest way to melt your glueless units and to make sure it blends in with the skin. Although I will say I am really liking how this looks against my skin without even doing anything to it. One of the reasons I haven't really been that big of a fan of the pre-cut laces is because most of the units, in my opinion, the lace needs to be cut a little bit more. But I actually really like the way Myfirstwig cut this unit. They actually cut it perfect. Like I wouldn't improve on anything. And look how this is blending right here with my skin. Haven't had done anything. Look at that. Look at that melt. Come on now. Come on now. All right, let me go ahead and add a little. Wait, let me shake this up first. Once you find a tinted mousse color that matches your complexion, it's going to make installing your units even that much easier. So I'm just going to take some of this and like just blot it along my hairline. And I don't need to add the mousse because as you guys can see, the lace is already blending with my skin. But the mousse is going to help make the lace stay adhered to my skin without actually acting as an adhesive and sticking it to my skin, if that makes sense. They didn't send me a new elastic band. Y'all need to send me a new elastic band because y'all already know that their elastic band is my favorite. Find you a trusty elastic band, just tie it down and leave it tied down for about 5 minutes. Okay, so while that's tied down, I'm going to go ahead and work on the rest of the unit. Now, as I mentioned, it feels like some of the bleach got on the hair over on this side. I used to really stress when I received units that had bleach on the hair. But ever since I got this, those don't even become a concern for me anymore. All I do is squeeze some of this out in my hand. I used to apply it directly to my scalp, but I don't do that anymore because sometimes too much come out. And I just take a little spoolie, an eyebrow brush, whatever you want to call it, and just graze those roots. And look how easy that is to get cleaned up. Okay, now I'm trying to decide how I want to wear this. I don't want to overshadow the highlights. I really like how nicely it's done. Okay, so I am going to cut some light, and very light layers in this because I actually might wear it straight. This is cute. Let me flatten the top first. Okay, so I'm gonna take my scissor and lightly dust, starting at my chin. Very light. Okay, let's take the elastic band off. So guys, as you can see, this unit is super beginner friendly. I did add some concealer to the parting space just to add the finishing touch. I was gonna curl it, but I'm just gonna rock it like this. This color is really nice. This is a very natural density. So if you're one of those girls who like really big hair, this unit's not gonna be for you. However, if you do like a more natural density, this one will fit the bill. Let me go ahead and stand up so you can see where it lands on me. I have not experienced any tangling or shedding with this unit. This is Myfirstwig, and they have a better quality unit. They're more along the better brand, good, better, and best. Myfirstwig is more along the better, in my opinion. Now, everybody have their own experiences, but that's my experience. So take it with a grain of salt. The only way you'll know is to try it for yourself. And guys, as you can see, this unit is still glueless. So guys, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, as always, I'm going to have everything used in this video, which is basically just the tits and moves, linked in the description box down below. But before we get out of here, guys, I'm going to need your help naming this beauty. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the faithful fam, hit that subscribe button to join the family. And while you're at it, why don't you check out these videos? You might enjoy them as well. As always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.